This video shows how to safely remove the old lamps and install new ones, so your oven stays bright. If the light inside your oven looks dim, first check the lamp cover and remove any stains. If the light is still dark, the bulb may need to be replaced. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the top lamp and the side lamp. Before we begin, let's review some safety reminders. First, turn off the oven and unplug it from the power supply. Second, prepare the approved replacement lamp. Third, always wear protective gloves. When handling a halogen lamp, use a dry cloth to avoid fingerprints or moisture. Let's begin with the top lamp. Make sure the oven is cooled and unplugged before starting. Open the oven door and locate the lamp cover at the top of the cavity. Turn the cover counterclockwise to remove the cover. Also remove the metal ring and the sheet ring. Wipe off any stains from the cover. Take out the old halogen lamp. Now, insert the new replacement halogen lamp. Now reattach the sheet ring and followed by metal ring. Now put back the cover by turning it clockwise. How to replace the side lamp. Make sure the oven is cool and unplugged before starting. Grasp one end of the cover and pull it away from the oven. Using a flat tool such as flat head driver is recommended. Carefully remove the cover. Take out the old halogen lamp. Insert the new halogen lamp and put back the cover. To keep your oven lamps free from food stains, use the Steam Clean feature of the oven. Add a cup of water into the oven and run a steam clean cycle. The steam softens food residue, making it easier to wipe away. Once the oven cools down, use a dry cloth to clean the inside. This keeps the lamp covers clean and your oven brighter.